Hello, hi guys. Welcome you all to the Devops Delete YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another task of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge. I am here on the Chrome browser. Let me type engineer.kodekloud.com/practice. Hit enter. I directly got this task UI because I had to set my password and username. In your case, it may differ. It will prompt you to enter your username and password. Once you have given those details, you will also get the same screen as like me. Let me click on the start button just besides the 100 days of DevOps task. As part of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge, today we will see setup Jenkins server task. Let me click on the start button. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the video here for a while. Alright, we got our task. First, let me read the task, then we will look into the solution. The DevOps team at Execution Corp Industries is initiating the setup of CI/CD pipelines and has decided to utilize Jenkins as their server. Execute the task according to the provided requirements. 1. Install Jenkins on the Jenkins server using the yum utility only and start its service. If you face a timeout issue while starting the Jenkins service, refer to this. Jenkins admin username should be the admin, password should be admin321, full name should be Siva, and email should be siva@jenkins.status.exclusioncorp.com. Note: to access the Jenkins server, connect from the jump host using the root user with the password securepass. After Jenkins server installation, click the Jenkins button on the top bar to access the Jenkins UI and follow on-screen instructions to create an admin user. Alright, first let me click on this Jenkins button. As of now, it is 502 bad gateway since we did not configure anything that was expected. First thing first, let me log into this Jenkins server from the jump host. So SSH and then username will be root and server name will be Jenkins. Enter, type yes, and password they have given here. Let me copy, paste it here, enter. Alright, now I log into this Jenkins server as a root user. Now let me see what is the OS version of it. Depends upon OS version, we need to give the commands to install Jenkins. See, it is of CentOS. Now let me click on this link to get all the commands to install Jenkins. Let me click on Linux here. So it is of Fedora. So this is the one we need to give. Let me copy it, paste it here, enter. So wget command not found. First let me install wget sudo yum install wget-y. I'm using yum package because Fedora, CentOS, these all are yum based systems, so that's why I'm giving yum. Let it install. Yes, wget is installed successfully. Let me give this command again now. It is done. I'm going with long-term support, guys. Copy this command, paste it here, and then let me upgrade DNF package. Enter. Now let me copy here. We are going to add Java 21 and then the Jenkins server installation. Let me copy it. Type y. Type y again. Now let me paste these commands. Type y. Whenever they asked, we need to type y. If we wanted to skip it while giving these commands, we can give -y. I will show you once it is done how we can skip this y typing every time whenever it is asking us to enter something. Alright, it is installed successfully. If in case you wanted to skip all -y, so we can give here just -y like this. So if we give like this, it will not ask us to enter is this okay or not kind of questions. Alright, now if I do the, then we need to start the Jenkins, enter, then let me check the, just enable Jenkins, and now let me start the Jenkins. Now let me do the sudo systemctl status Jenkins. Alright, it is active and running. Control C. Now let me refresh the page here. So here we will get the initial admin password. Let me copy this path. Come to our terminal. Come to our terminal and do cat. Give the path. So this is the password. Let me copy it. Paste it here. Click on continue. Let me go with the install suggested plugins. So by default, some plugins will be installed by Jenkins. So it will decide what plugin needs to be installed. So just wait for a while this all plugins were installing. While installing these plugins, I'm skipping the video here for a while, guys. Let me click on retry. Okay, and we need to give username, password. So these all details we have to give as per the task. So they asked us to give username the admin, right? So let me give, me copy it, paste it here, and then password. Password is this one. Let me copy this, paste it here. Then confirm password, same thing. Full name we should give Siva. So let me copy and paste it here. And then the email address. So this is the one. Let me copy it, paste it here. Click on save and continue. Click on save and finish. Start using Jenkins. Yeah, we got our Jenkins dashboard, which confirms that we have successfully completed the task. As we have completed the task, let me click on this check button to validate our work. Click on confirm. Yes, we did it right. Congratulations. That's it for this video, guys. See you in another video with yet another task of or 100 days of DevOps task challenge. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.